Dang, you see how glad how fast he grabbed it?
I feel like
I
I'm
know.
raping him.
Hold on, Yvette, no, hold on. And his eyes go like this too when he's doing it.
He has an orgasm.
No.
That's fucking nasty. I told you didn't believe me.
There he goes. Right there.
I wonder why though. Nothing yet.
He probably got turned off. He's all, damn it, I got hard for no reason. Oh god, he's sucking pretty hard. Look at his eyes.
That's fucking nasty. Don't cuss.
Look at his eyes. Don't even. Ew, look at it, it's getting bigger. YouTube this, y'all. Oh!
I didn't know this happened.
Why with my finger? Dang, he's like pressing hardcore sex. Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes. Oh yeah. This is what I'm talking about. I'm getting harder than a goddamn rock. I mean, look at my little pink. Ew! It's zoom in, y'all. Do that little thing. Focus. Ew, look at that.
It's dripping.
I know.